Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46. This is a 3 Series BMW from 1998 to 2006. We'll show you guys if you're outside, okay, the side mirrors do not work, and you're wondering whether it's a mirror, switch, fuse, guys. We'll show you guys how to check the fuse, where the fuse is located for the side mirrors, and how to replace it. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment below. So let me show you now where the fuse is located. So first, let's demonstrate how the mirrors, do not work at all. So I'll come on this side, let's turn the ignition on, and we'll demonstrate how the mirrors do not work now. Okay, ignition is on, mirror is set to the driver position, and when we press up or down, left, right, it doesn't work. So let's turn the ignition off. Always have the ignition off. We're demonstrating on convertible, but this is the same for the whole generation. We need to open our glove box now. Okay, right here. And that fuse, guys, is located. Okay, let me show you the fuse box first, how you access it. These two white things, open them like that. Drop down. This is your fuse box. Now you may have two fuses, guys, for the mirrors. Not every model will have two, some will have one. First one, guys, you can see the first row of fuses, you can see the numbers printed on the very top. The second row, the fuses are printed kind of like stamped on the bottom of the housing right here. And the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 31. It's this fuse right here. Ours is missing, our model doesn't have that one. The second fuse, guys, that we need to check for the outside mirrors is fuse number 57, guys. Fuse number 57, it's a 5 amp fuse, right here. So I'm going to go ahead now, let me just position the camera, get the fuse puller, go on top of the fuse, pull it out. This fuse is burned, guys. I'll get a new one. You can check out in the description of the video below where we get our replacement fuses and all that stuff for a really affordable price. And stay with us to see if that thing works, guys. But first, we always need to go ahead and install our puller here. Not to lose it because we'll need it later, and close the glove box. So, what we'll do now, we're going to go ahead, turn the ignition on now. And let's see if the mirror works now. Yep, it moves without any problems. So, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.